here, perfect. And then what I gotta do is get right on T1, but not on the bone. Okay, perfect. And it falls to the left this way. Good. How'd that feel?
Good, and it was loud.
So what we're gonna do now is adjust that shoulder girdle back like we do.
Okay.
Over here, face out, his hand goes behind the ear. And then I'm gonna and let the breath all the way out on your cue. And let it fall over onto my hand. Simple. Better. Not bad, right?
Yeah, not bad at all.
Okay, coming up.